NASA's going to try to redirect an asteroid. Cool, this is future history. We're remembering the next 100 years from a time vortex in the 2120s, reaching all the way back to early 2022. And in early 2022, a NASA probe called DART is on its way toward an asteroid moon called Dimorphos. That's right, asteroids can have moons. The asteroid is called Didymos and the asteroid moon is called Dimorphos, and the probe is called DART for Double Asteroid Redirect Test. So they're going to smash into Dimorphos at about 24,000 kilometers per hour and see if they can change its trajectory even slightly, fingers crossed. Then later in the decade, circa 2026, the European Space Agency's probe Hera is going to check up on the situation like the ancient god Hera was always checking up on her rowdy man Zeus or, Jupiter. And we're going to find out how far we affected the trajectory of this moon of an asteroid. So that's really important science, obviously. The Chinese are also attempting a mission like this, and they reckon in 2026 they'll be launching something to smash into another kind of something. They're also going to attempt an asteroid sample recovery mission around that time. But why this is relevant is obviously Earth defense, right? It's good that big powers on Earth are thinking about defending the planet from rogue smashies because there are a fair amount of them out there. NASA estimates in the early 20s that you've only got about 40% of the near-Earth large asteroids accounted for, which means 60% of them are lurking out in the darkness, not sure where they are, what their trajectory is, how far away they might be, etc. So they're also launching in the mid-20s, again around 2026, a probe to scan the skies more thoroughly. They think they'll be able to identify, starting around then, about 90% of asteroid objects that are larger than 140 meters across. So that's a pretty good catch of most of the dangerous stuff. Now in the 30s, that's going to get up into the high 90s. By the 40s, with all the AI and all the launch stuff you've got going, then you're going to be able to say with pretty high confidence, like 99.876 repeating, that you've got all the near-Earth asteroids that could pose a threat. And it becomes very important information how to redirect them based on this early science in the 2020s, which is, really cool stuff. It's playing pool with the gods, yeah? And it's sort of fascinating from a physics perspective that you don't yet know what it's going to do to one of these objects to hit it, how far the trajectory is going to change, how much stuff might explode, whether anything useful will rain down on the planet in unforeseen ways. Probably not. They picked one that's not likely to smash into us, even in a worst case scenario, of course. One other fun detail about asteroids in the future is that this stuff is going to be important not just for natural reasons, but because asteroids as a weapon of war are unfortunately quite convenient. So if there's a rogue agency that wants to smash your city or your colony or your space habitat with an asteroid, it's a very effective way to attack just from an energy perspective, because it costs a lot of energy to slow down an asteroid that's coming at you, even with a super high-powered laser like we have available in the 2120s. So at a certain point, when that tech is available, the attack with asteroids tech, the defend yourself from asteroids tech will become quite important. And we will look back fondly on the DART mission of 2022 and how it told us how to defend ourselves from the skies. Look up, stay sharp, happy future, bye.